guys, welcome to Leftovers again. We're going to give you kind of I'm just going to give you one of my secrets, one of our recipes here that we do at home. Takes some time. This was a little bit different than the other videos we've got. This one you got to marinate overnight. So this is going to be something after dinner, after dessert, what you do. So we'll start with about a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar. I've got probably 2 or 3 tablespoons of pure coconut oil and a cup of water. All right, doesn't smell real good right now, I promise. I think it's that apple cider vinegar. We're going to put in some pepper. It don't matter if you got too much, too little. It don't matter. I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons. Do some chicken seasoning too. About the same amount. You don't even got to measure it. You can eyeball it. Or if you want to measure it, do 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. Stick to 2-3 tablespoons for everything. I think you'll be all right. We got some garlic. I'm going to put extra garlic in there. Extra garlic, because I like garlic. It tastes good. Everybody likes garlic. Here is the secret, right? You got that? Chili powder. I'm telling you, think, oh, why we put chili powder in there? Trust me on this, okay? 2 to 3 tablespoons of that. Maybe a little bit more. It don't matter. It's going to get all mixed up. We got some curry powder. Oh, it's too hot. No, it's the taste. It's not going to be bad. And this, we're just going to sprinkle a little bit in there. We don't need a whole lot of this because it could make it really hot. But we don't want to make it hot. Let's stir it up. Now it starts to smell a lot better. I think it's the curry, maybe it's the garlic. I don't know, maybe it's the chili powder. It's all of it. It smells great. What do you think? You like it smell? Smell it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this is what we're going to do. It's not a whole lot. So I'm going to get some more water in there. I'm going to show you why here in a second. About another 3/4 of a cup of water. All right. We've got, oh, that's a mess.
Chicken?
I've got some chicken here. It's about, I don't know, I bought a 4-pound bag. This is half of it. Maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. So at least 2 pounds of chicken. I got them filleted. I saved that part for you. You guys can fillet your own chicken. That's easy. And I cut the fat off it. Got it in a Ziploc bag. We're going to pour our marinade in there. Zip it up. Alright, this is what it looks like. That's what you got. So I usually put it on a pan when I put it inside the fridge just in case it leaks because we don't want a big mess. And then in the morning when I wake up, it's this way. In the morning when I wake up, I'm going to flip it over. And then about lunchtime or even dinner time, throughout the day, if I think about it, I'll go flip it a couple more times. And then we throw it on a grill. So we'll be back when?
About a couple hours or 24, maybe.
Maybe about 8 or 10 hours from now. So see you guys in 8 to 10 hours.
Have a good night.
It's not going to work. I have to cut that out. So there we go, guys. We got... Connor was closer to being right about the marinade more than me. It was in there for about 15 hours or so. I think it'll work pretty good. A lot of times we'll use a fork and poke holes inside the chicken, and it absorbs that marinade a lot better. Throw the marinade away after you're done with pulling these out and putting them on the stove. I put them on this grill that we've got. It makes it really smoky in the house, so all the fans will be on and the windows will be open. Good thing it's a nice day. So remember, throw away the marinade. It's no good no more. Alright, don't try to use it again. And we'll cook about maybe 10 or 15 minutes on each side, depending on, I don't want to make it too dry, so let's say 7 to 10 minutes on each side, and we'll see how it goes from there. You know, I always forget every time I use this thing to spray it first because it's so hard to clean. Are you ready for the trick though? Here's the real secret: lime. This lime's been sitting for a while, so it's really juicy. I think it's juicier even than what it would be normally. I don't know why, but I really do think it is. But it's I'll show you. You can see it looks like it's getting moldy almost. It's not. It's good stuff still. It's still good. Don't throw it away. It's not a waste. So that's only 2 pieces of it. So, oh, I just had an idea. I got coconut oil in there, right? So put the lime with the coconut. Call it a banana. I don't know if that's the words or not. These bananas. Too old for me, but perfect for smoothies. I'll put a link to a pretty long video, the Valentine's video below, and it has how we make smoothies on there. The lime also, we're going to go ahead, the rest of it, we're going to put it in some rice. We'll flavor some rice with it, mix it in after the rice is all done. Yep, even the baby agrees. And we're going to cut this chicken up when it's all done and make some chicken quesadillas. And I can also put a link to my chicken quesadilla video on here as well, so you guys can see how easy that is. Super fast, super simple, super easy, super fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.